Good morning, my dear students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. Welcome to all of you to this video lecture. I am Manojit Kumar Bishwas, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara Dhaka. My dear students, time and tide wait for none. So you should practice continuously. Okay, dear students. However, today I want to give a lecture on chapter number 5, that is Financial Statement of Joint Stock Company. My dear students, you know that this chapter is compulsory for you. That is, from this chapter, 2 questions will be set up. Okay, dear students. So you should practice this chapter properly. Okay, dear students. Now let's go. My dear students, today I want to show how we can calculate the amount of net purchase using table. My dear students, at first we should write down purchase from trial balance. Then plus unrecorded purchase minus purchase return minus purchase discount minus goods drawing minus sales without profit minus goods distribution at free of cost minus goods destroyed by fire minus purchase VAT. Okay, dear students, my dear students, same way we can calculate the amount of net sales. At first, sales from trial balance plus unrecorded sales minus sales return minus sales discount minus sales without profit minus sales or return basis sales minus sales VAT. Okay, dear students. Now we can calculate the amount of cost of goods sold. Formula is opening stock of goods plus net purchase plus other direct expenses such as wages, carries inward or carries import duty or purchase duty, dock charge or freight in, octroi duty, etc. Then we will get goods available for sale minus closing stock of goods. Then we will get cost of goods sold. Okay, dear students. Now calculation the amount of new reserve for bad debts. Formula is accounts receivable plus unrecorded credit sales minus new bad debt into percentage of new provision. Okay, dear students. Now calculation the amount of bad debt expenses or bad debt charges. Formula is old bad debt or written bad debts or recorded bad debts plus new bad debts or unwritten bad debts. Then we will get total bad debts plus new provision for bad debt minus old provision for bad debt. Then we will get bad debt expenses. Okay, dear students. Now calculation the amount of net accounts receivable or net debtors. At first, accounts receivable from trial balance plus unrecorded credit sales plus received check dishonored minus sales return minus discount paid minus sales or return basis sales minus cash or check received from accounts receivable minus new bad debt minus new provision for bad debt. Okay, dear students. Now calculation the amount of net accounts payable or creditors. At first, accounts payable or creditors from trial balance plus unrecorded credit purchase plus issued check dishonored minus unrecorded purchase return minus unrecorded discount received minus discount provision for accounts payable. Okay, dear students, thank you so much. No more today.